In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the element's name in Canva. If you've ever struggled with identifying elements while designing in Canva, you're certainly not alone. It's an essential skill that can make navigating and customizing your projects much easier. So let's dive right in and simplify this for you. First, let's head over to Canva on your computer. Once there, open a design or start a new one. The choice is yours. When you're inside, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find various options like text, photos, and of course elements. Go ahead and click on elements. This section is essentially a treasure trove filled with countless shapes, graphics, lines, and more. By utilizing these, you can enhance your design and bring your creative visions to life. After you've clicked on elements, you'll see an array of visual aids that you can incorporate into your design. Hover your mouse over any element that catches your eye. You might be wondering what specific information about this element you can actually uncover. Well, here's the simple trick. As you hover over the desired element, move your focus to the right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see three little dots. Those dots are your gateway to acquiring more information. Go ahead and click on them. It's as easy as that. Once you click on these dots, a drop-down menu appears. Among the information provided, you will see the name of the element displayed clearly. This feature is incredibly helpful, especially when you need to search for it later or want to ensure consistency across different designs. Knowing the name allows you to replicate or tweak the element in other projects as needed. And there you have it. You now possess the knowledge to efficiently identify and locate any element within Canva. This small but powerful trick can save time and improve your workflow, transforming your design process into a smoother and more enjoyable experience. A quick tip. If you find an element you particularly like, make note of its name immediately. It can be incredibly useful for future design sessions, enabling you to build a library of your favorite elements. This can streamline your efforts across various creative projects and ensure that your designs consistently resonate with your style. I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. Giving a name to a face, or in this case to an element, can significantly impact your design efficiency in Canva. So go ahead, explore, create, and let your newly acquired knowledge of element names unlock even more potential in your design ventures. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.